put a roller action on the car. It takes a little time for that to pull it off and then go to the machine and turn it and then look back and put it back on. So this is the machine that you do that with. So go ahead and hook it up because usually the most time consuming is climbing up the stairs. Use this knob, it will tighten it down. It allows you to actually spin while it's doing the turn. The car's got to be in neutral. We'll grab it up in here. So the first on-off switch is here. Oh yeah. So the first thing, of course, we're going to have our PPE on. We got our glasses, we got our mask because of COVID, safety shoes because some of this could fall off and ruin your day that way. You can wear gloves if you want to. We've got a little part where we'll be wearing the gloves, so right now we don't have that. So the first thing, you turn it on. You have a start button right here. You push the start button, and it's going to go through a calibration mode. So you can see where it runs through. The numbers count down, and we know it's good. We have our 2 green lights that tells you it's calibrated, it's good, and we're at 0.7, so that's good. So the next thing we're going to do, come over to this side, and just like on the regular machine, you have to adjust the 2 arms, which is used to cut the rotor into, they're barely touching, so we're going to do that first. Once we get it all the way to the inside, because this one you start all the way in, and then we'll work our way out. This is the knob you use to turn the whole thing inward. So once we get it to our starting point, the next thing we want to do is adjust the 2 arms to where it will barely touch so that we can take off a little bit of the layer. So loosen the locking arm, and then adjust these 2 for the actual arms to move. Both of them just barely touching each side. You tighten down the arm here, which locks it into place. Then our next step is to take this knob, twist it, and it's going to fall into the detent, which will allow it to automatically start pulling out. So fill in, you can see the knob then is starting to turn, and then you'll notice this will start working its way out by just cutting the rotor. It's almost done. You see it almost to the outside point. Once it comes all the way out, then we'll go ahead and turn off the machine and we'll get completed. So once we're done with it, when we turn everything off, we'll go get the tools to measure it to make sure we're within tolerance. Depending on the vehicle that it's mounted to, if it's outside of the tolerance, we'll have to have to buy a new one. If not, then we'll get the way it is. All right, thank you.